think that anybody has the right to call anybody ugly?
Oh, what did you see that thing on the podcast?
I don't want to talk about. I don't want to. It just allows us to talk. I guess it allows me and you to have a conversation about if you feel like you have the right to call somebody ugly.
I don't know if I would say I have the right, but publicly, no. Private, like maybe with your friends, like, and it's not too towards the person, then like it's just like everyone has their opinion. Like it's just like a private. It doesn't affect no one. It doesn't like cause anyone to be upset and that. It's just like might be a bit of banter with like just between two people, but publicly, I don't see the.
So there is sometimes you can impress me, you know. Just sometimes, just little glimmers. You give me little glimmers of hope. Sensible hope. Some people out there that don't know how to not call people ugly. Take a leaf out of your book.